Chris is finishing up installing the transponder that's part of our GPS system that you saw last time when he had drilled a hole in the boat that you see right there in the top. Now he's just putting in that last piece, and that's what reads the depth finder, the fish finder, and our speed. Now Chris is fixing the wires so he can fill in that hole that he drilled in the boat, because a hole in the boat is never a good thing.
Oh yeah, you're talking to the choir around here, so it's kind of important that it not leak, okay? Put it on the outside here. Let me come in there.
Cheese! Look, evidence. I'm in the boat.
We used a product by 3M. It's a marine grade adhesive sealant that's designed for filling holes, what they call through holes in a boat. And we filled it in from the outside, and then we also want to fill it in from the inside because we want it to completely fill the void, and it'll create a good strong seal that the only way it's going to come out is if somebody drills it out or cuts it out. Harder to get off of that.
That's what's going to happen. I can hold it. And if you're about to get bored watching us fill this hole, I'm going to sit here and hold it for a long time, so I know how you feel.
Then it'll go right back in. Right there. She does fit.
This is what they do? Yeah, but how cool is that? I'm cleaning the back of the boat, getting ready for our new name. Leave a comment below if you think you know what the new name of our boat is. Any guesses?